देखो भाई, अभी अभी तमाशा अभी रिलीज हो रही है, देन
The
film coming out called Jaga Jasoos. So it's better than you all only decide, no, who Deepika looks hot with, who I look hot with. How can we only say कि you look hot with this person? मुझे बहुत पसंद है. That's आलोक. आलोक बोल रहे हैं. मुझे आपकी आवाज़ पहचान गया मैं. आलोक जी, मुझे बहुत पसंद है गाना. एक्चुअली जब इम्तियाज़ ये गाने का स्क्रैच लाए थे, तो आई थिंक एट दैट टाइम दे weren't really too sure कि ये गाना यूज़ करे नहीं यूज़ करे. इट हैड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ एन ओल्ड वर्ल्ड charm to it. But the moment I heard the song, I fell in love with it. I thought कि it had a certain emotion. आजकल के गाने मज़ेदार तो होते हैं, बट इमोशनल सॉन्ग्स की जब बात होती है, आई थिंक इंडिया रियली स्ट्राइक्स अ कॉर्ड विथ इमोशनल सॉन्ग्स. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट दैट सॉन्ग फ्रॉम आशिकी 2, व्हिच इज व्हाट्स द सॉन्ग, हाउ डज द सॉन्ग गो? नहीं नहीं, अबे आशिकी 2, क्योंकि तुम ही हो. और इवन ये दूरियां फ्रॉम लव आजकल, मेनी अदर सॉन्ग्स. आई थिंक ये जॉनर का जो गाना होता है, कबीरा फ्रॉम ये जवानी. सो आई थिंक ये जॉनर का गाना बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, एंड आई थिंक वी गॉट रियली लकी. एक्चुअली वी डिडंट गेट लकी, वी हैड ए आर रहमान, इरशाद भाई एंड इम्तियाज. सो अ सॉन्ग लाइक दिस वाज एक्सपेक्टेड. ए दीपिका, साजिद भाई एंड इम्तियाज आर नॉट देयर.
I was just going to tell you it was meant to be a surprise. I don't know how you knew.
Okay, I'm just asking. मैंने उनकी आर्ट आ गई मुझे. The Jaya Bachchan shot.
We know you're feeling homesick and missing us, so we've brought everyone to meet you.
Oh, great.
Sajid bhai. See, nobody wants to meet me. They're all saying hi to you.
Hi, Sajid bhai.
Hello. Do darshan.
India sir, touch कर लो सर. सर पानी पी रहे हो?
आपने पिला दिया सर.
Let's talk about the music with Imtiaz now, since he's here. I think let's get his review.
No. I think Imtiaz should do the step. Imtiaz has never done...
After he finishes a glass of water, I think.
Water.
It is actually water.
I know, sir. I can see the nimbu in it also.
It is. But yeah. You'll do the step with us? I think we should all do the step.
Which one?
Which other? Matar Kashti. And Alok is going to join us. Chalo, play the song. We all have to do it.
सर थोड़ा झुक के कैमरा
मेरे होशो हवास खो गए हो. दिल का भंवर बोले सुन साथिया, चुप ना दो पट्टे में तो ओ छलिया. प्रेम पुजारी के दिल का बयान होता रहा, रोता रहा प्रिय. तो फिर डंग 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 डंग
We want to share a new song with all of you. I don't know if you've heard the audio track already. It's called What What What. It's actually Ranveer's favorite song. Do you guys want to see it? Listen to it. See it. See it for the first time. Chalo. I love it.
क्या रिपोर्ट है? आप लोग हमेशा ऐसे ही बोलते हो यार. ये डांस सिंपल है सर. ये कोई भी मैं कर सकता हूँ सर.
Yeah, I haven't seen the video before. I'm sorry. I'm just like acting like an excited actor, but nice. So, Ranbir, I think we should open the floor to questions
Yeah.
and ask us whatever you want to ask us.
वाट लगा दो हमारी.
No, like we've kept it open and everyone can jump in whenever you want. Hi. Huh. Oh, oh no. हम तमाशा का प्रमोशन करते. That was the marketing team clearly. Good one, na?
Very good.
See.
मैं फुट के आजा अंदर से.
Give me a high five, bro.
I didn't hear what he said.
So basically, what? So basically, it's people. So which people are saying? Some people are saying, online survey is saying that you and me are the next. We are the next Shah Rukh and Kajol. High five.
Wow, but high five to that. But having said that, I don't think nobody can be Shah Rukh and Kajol
Yeah.
because they're amazing and we all have grown up to him. But I would really like to be called the first Deepika and Ranbir, then the next somebody else. So let's stick to that.
Don't ask me difficult questions. I don't know. Huh? Yeah, it's See, as an actor, I think you draw from different places, different situation, different moods, different experiences. And of course, it's tough. It's a tough situation within the film itself. It's a situation where you're trying to say whatever little bit is there between these two people, and you're just trying to hold on, and you don't want to let go. So it's a tough situation within the film itself. And yes, of course, it's difficult. And practically also it's difficult because you don't always get like an okay take, in the first, maybe not. And, so to sort of keep up that emotion through the day and to break down like that, I can't remember the last time I had to break down completely and so much in a film. So of course it's exhausting and you have to draw from, various experiences in your life.
Actually, both Ranbir and Deepika and everyone on the set, the light boys, the crowd, everyone was getting very emotional. And it was very tough. If you ask this question, if we go back into it, we'll get emotional right now also. So I think we should move to the next question. Sir, Ranbir, you've got a, do you have anything to say about this?
Sir, I
About
really
the
can't-
experience of shooting this song?
Oh, experience of shooting a song. No, like me and Deepika were discussing before, it was like a scene. It wasn't really like shooting a song. It was, and what Deepika said, that holding on to the last few things that you can in a relationship, and there were so many layers within layers that you wanted to show through just this hug and this parting of this hug. that you just made a song on that moment. I think just the fact that you can conceive something like this was really wonderful, and it was really beautiful to even perform it.
Why did you start by saying romantic comedy? Just curious. Romantic
There
comedy?
is comedy and there is romance, but there are so many other things that it does not really qualify as a romantic comedy, I think.
Yeah, I wouldn't classify Tamasha as your quintessential romantic comedy in that sense. I think it has a lot of heart and a lot of soul, and it's very real, you know. And I think for a lot of us who are going to watch the film, I think there's a lot of reality, there's a lot of truth within the film. So yes, I think the Corsica and things like Matar Gashti are like the fun bits, but there's also a lot of heart and soul in the film. So you were talking about the sequence. See, I can't talk about other films. I can definitely tell you that in this film, there are scenes within the song. So exactly like Ranbir said, like even when we were shooting Agar Tum Saath Ho, for us, we're not shooting a song sequence. We're actually shooting a scene because the narrative moves forward. It's not like, he's not the kind of filmmaker who suddenly breaks into a song and takes you to some fantasy land and then brings you back. It's not, this film doesn't allow for that more than anything else. I think it's very, very true to the moments, and I think it kind of takes the story forward. So I don't think in this situation, yeah, no.
But I'm trying to be the filmmaker that can break the narrative and just have a song. It's my aspiration.
Oh, hi. Faridun. Yeah. Very, very. I mean, even like if you look at Heer To Badi Sad Hai, like we were discussing, it's a sad, technically it's a sad situation. And you'll realize how sad it is when you see the film. But we're saying it through the lyrics and in a sort of quirky, fun way without actually doing it in a typical sad song. I think the situation in the film would have easily allowed for that. We could have easily gone into making like a sad song that, you know, but I think it's being true to what the film is also. Tamasha is something that talks about, can I say, breaking stereotypes? And expressing it differently. And I think we were expressing the mood of Tara very, very differently from how one would normally express that, something like that.
Sir, what is your favorite song in terms of lyrics?
In terms of lyrics, I think Tu Koi Aur Hai. I think, again, it's such a tricky song to write because you're spelling out a certain emotion or certain thing that's happening at that part in a film, and and to not make it literal and to really make it a little bit about the feeling of a character and the emotion, then actually putting it into words. And I think Irshad Bhai really does that really well. So I think Tu Koi Aur Hai is my favorite song where lyrics are concerned. But also the simplicity of Agar Tum Saath Ho, you know, you can't take that away from that just because Tu Koi Aur Hai is a harder song to write. But a simple song like Agar Tum Saath Ho, you know, which really cuts through and people really connect with. It's because of breaking the poetry in words and just making it so simple and so touching is also quite cool.
ये मैं जवाब देता हूँ, पर उसके पहले मैं पूछना चाहूँगा सिड से और साजिद भाई से कि इनको कौन सा गाना पसंद है फिल्म में?
I'd probably say Agar Tum Saath Ho. It's a beautiful, beautiful song, and it's really simple, beautiful lyrics, and it conveys so much by saying so little. So,
For me, it was Matar Gashti. It's fantastic. From day one, I liked it, and I thought it would go with the audience, and it's doing one. It's on the chart #1.
The brief is always the story, and you tell the story, you discover the basic point of making the film, and you try to then talk about how you want to express it, express the movie itself before you even come down to the song. And then, I mean, it's not very different from the way you would actually brief an actor to begin with, or how you will try to convince the producer. It's the same thing, you know, just to tell the basic point of the story first. And one thing, Faridun, since you had asked, I must also say about Irshad and Rahman sir and the way that we have been working, is that it is not as though Rahman sir makes a tune and then Irshad writes in the words. In all the compositions that you know, that are in the film, there is much of it that's written first and then Rahman sir composes. Then the way he composes, the lyrics do change, but something like Agar Tum Saath Ho or Heer To Badi Sad Hai, these things were written before Rahman sir actually composed. मेरे लिए बहुत आसान होता है एडिटिंग टेबल पे, बिकॉज एक पॉइंट के बाद मुझे हर चीज़ ख़राब लगने लगती है. तो एक्चुअली जो मेरी बाकी टीम है, एडिटर वगैरह, वो लोग मुझे ज़्यादा रोकते हैं कि मत काटो, मगर मैं लास्ट मोमेंट तक काटता ही रहता हूँ. Because we already did a session with him in which there was a very, very detailed discussion with A.R. Rahman and Irshad and myself about the music. So this is her party. So you ask her why he's not there.
I wanted it to just be you and I, like me and y'all. But
even we are gate crashing.
I just want to
actually.
say, yeah, I was just going to say that they have crashed my party.
At this moment, yes. Yeah, at this moment, yes. Because...
you can't talk about any other movie right now, I'm standing here.
Sorry.
This good-looking man standing here.
Sir.
दीपिका, बोलो. मेरा शॉट रेडी है. बोलो मेरे को बैड लुक्स दे रहे हैं यहाँ से.
Just come back now, yeah.
I am 2 days. Should I go give the shot and come back? Is all still here?
You have to go. Do you all have to ask him any questions? Otherwise, I think we can continue. Correct.
क्या जी?
ऐश्वर्या के साथ शूटिंग का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
वो अभी सेट पे है और अगर मैं नहीं पहुंचूं तो बहुत मारेंगे, तो मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा अभी. अगर मैं सरप्राइज बोल दूं तो सरप्राइज नहीं रहेगा ना. हाँ है कुछ. Even Abhishek's in town, and I think the entire crew is going to celebrate her birthday on the first evening. Thank you guys.
Okay,
Deepika, thanks for
bye.
inviting. I'll see you guys. Imtiaz sir, Sajid bhai, Sid, see you guys soon. Day after, sir, मैं आ रहा हूँ. Airport पे मिलेंगे sir.
Bye.
You guys. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Deepika, here.
Innovative, I don't know. I don't think the idea was to try and be innovative. I think the idea really was to share this experience with all of you, because I've also been shooting for Tamasha and shooting for Baji Rao, and the music went out, and I don't think I I didn't get the opportunity before this to share the music and to talk about the experience for us as actors. Because like I said, I think music is such an important part of our movies, and especially when you have the combination of Imtiaz and Rahman making music. You know, I think for every actor, that's a very, very special moment, and I wanted to share that moment with all of you.
दीपिका, तारा और दीपिका में कोई सिमिलैरिटी है?
One second. Yes, sir.
समझ में नहीं आया सर, फिर से बोल सकते हैं?
I don't know, Nargis ji or Madhubala maybe. I don't know. Honestly, I don't think it's the most ideal situation for me, because I think we all work so hard on every movie, and you want each one to have its own space and, you know, to do it sort of properly. But when I look at the overall picture, of course, I'm selfish as an actor also, and I'm very, very excited that I have 3 very, very special films that are going to release in the same year. So Piku's already released, and we have Tamasha and Baji Rao. So as an actor, I'm very, very happy. But I wish that it sort of, I don't know.
दीपिका और तारा में कितनी सिमिलैरिटीज हैं?
Sure, absolutely. I don't really have an opinion on this actually. You know, as actors, we do our work, and that's about it. When to release, how to release, how much to release. I don't think these are questions that I've ever asked, and I don't get involved in that aspect of filmmaking. I've done my bit as an actor, and I hope that, you know, all the films, everything does well.
We'll take the last question, please. Last question.
What are the similarities?
I think that
एक second, let her answer, please.
there are similarities, but it's not very, very similar. This is a part that I've had to play. It's not something like, say, some of my other characters that I've played that have come to me very naturally. I've had to act a little bit within the film. It's not something it's not a character that I completely identify with.
Deepika, coming
Thank
back
you.
to Agar Tum,
Guys,
you were emotionally drained.
We're running out of time.
You were.
Thank you so much.
He was joking. He's just trying to promote his film. I'm nowhere close to even as good as her. Anything else?